Okay, we're going to work on the second video of the fourth section now, fourth section of the flow form. In the first video, we got up to the third posture in the fourth section. With this video, we're only going to work on two postures, so it's just going to be a short video, the fourth and the fifth posture. Let's just go through the first three movements to start with. So we start with single whip, facing the sidewall. 1, we sit back, hands flattened. 2, we turn to the front wall, left hand coming to the qua, right hand in line with the shoulder, thumb facing up. 3, turning to the sidewall, right hand coming down, interchanging the weight in the arms. Now we're going to move into the first Fair Lady shuttles. The Fair Lady weaves her shuttles. Okay, this is the action that we're going to do. It will be to the front corner. Okay? We step with the left leg, there's weights in the right leg, we step with the left leg to the corner. As we do so, left hand comes up, right hand goes out. Okay? Quite an unusual position, this one. So 3, right hand at the qua, left hand at breastbone, step with the left leg straight to the corner. Okay, so the stepping is easy. Okay, left leg, boom, for the 4. Left hand. The left hand is going to turn and fold. Okay, turning, and it's rotating around the shoulder. It's not lifting the shoulder, it's not lifting the trapezius, it's rotating around. The right hand is going to come straight up and spiral. Okay, remember we were talking about the spiraling before in the central axis and in the periphery central axis, so through the legs and through the arms. So we're going to visualize spiraling from the middle finger, turning and spiraling to send out the arms. Yeah? Now if I do it facing you, so the third posture, you're facing the sidewall, so you would be the sidewall. This would be our front corner. You step with the left leg, boom, straight out. Notice how the left hand is spiraling. The whole time it's spiraling, spiraling, spiraling. Spiraling as it comes up. In the final position of the left hand, you should be able to look through the thumb. Yeah, so that you've got a shape like so. So you're not like that. You're open. This hand is to protect. Okay, if you can imagine a punch or something coming towards you, this hand is protecting. And because the shoulder is rolling, you're not stopping. Tai Chi is not a defensive art. You don't stop or you don't block. You allow the force to come at you and you redirect it. So this is redirecting the force. But you still keep your hand in the center line. You don't allow it to go further for this movement. Okay, so that's the redirection. As this redirects, the other hand simultaneously is coming up underneath the body or underneath the person for a liver punch, kidney punch, something coming up under the shoulder. So it spirals and comes up. Could be a hit, could be a punch. But this is the action that you're performing here. So one coming in, the other going out. And remember what we talked about with the substantial and insubstantial. Because I'm going into the left leg, this is where the right leg will then be, right hand will be more powerful. Okay, so it comes up. Okay, so let's work with that again. From the third, fourth. Now the fifth position. You're just going to step back with the right leg, step straight back, and you're going to stay facing the corner. Boom. And essentially the hands come back to the same position they were in before you went out. Now you don't turn back to the sidewall, you stay facing the corner, but essentially the hands are in the same position. Right hand at the qua, left hand breastbone high. So 3, 4, 5. Now when you step back in a straight line. Yeah? This foot is around sort of facing the sidewalk. Okay, it doesn't want to be like that also. It is like so. But it's in the same line. Yeah, same line. So 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now in the San-Feng Taiji Classic, the 8th paragraph, in the 8th paragraph, it says, in lifting the opponent, if you want to lift the opponent, lift them off the ground, first connect down. So you connect down into them. In doing so, breaking the root. So you break the root of the person, so that he can be plucked out in a flash of a moment. Okay, this is the 8th paragraph of the San-Feng Taiji Classic. Okay, so to lift someone up, you have to break their root. The first thing you must do is you must feel their root. Okay, when you feel their root, then you can connect down into it by breaking it. Then you can break it, and once you've broken it, it's very easy to pluck out. And this analogy is very simple. It's like taking a small weed out of the ground. Okay, when you come to the weed, when you go to pick the weed, you just don't pull it out. You loosen it. You loosen its root. When you loosen its root, then it's very easy to pluck out. Very simple. This comes back to, you will understand more of this when we come to the partner work series, when I start explaining it in the videos there. You need to feel a person's center. The better or more clear your center is, the easier it is to feel someone else. The more clear your root is, the easier it is to feel someone else's. So if you can't feel your own, you're going to have a lot of problem feeling someone else's. When your center is strong, your awareness will become bigger, not only of yourself, but of others, of this space, of this whole space around you. Okay? The root, I'm saying breaking the root is our ability to send our mind into the ground. Okay? To connect to the earth. Remember, the heaven and the earth, you're connecting to the earth. Your connection is through relaxation. So you're not gripping the earth, you're relaxing into the earth. Okay, you're relaxing through the body. You're not just falling down onto the ground. You're relaxing through the feet into the earth. Okay, so now I'll just explain, well, we'll just go through the first 5 postures of the 4th section. Single way. 1, sit back. 2, turn to the front. 3, interchange of weight and arms. 4, first fair lady shuttles to the corner. 5, straight back. Yeah, straight back. Quite often when we come back here, people still have a turning. When they want to come back, if I do it facing towards you, when they want to come back, they start doing that. Try to stay straight with your hips. Straight. My left hand shouldn't come down, but try and stay straight. So the hips stay straight towards you. You'll turn in the next moment, in the 6th posture. Yeah. If I do it with this as my front walk, side walk, single one. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the corner. 5, straight back. Hips straight to walk. 1, 2.